Hello, and thanks for making your purchase of your new Rampant Design Tools product. This quick tip is designed to get you up and running as quickly as possible. Let me show you why Rampant Design Tools QuickTime-based elements are not only going to make your composites look fantastic, but they're also going to speed up your effects workflow. Transfer modes, or blend modes as they're referred to in some applications, are what we're going to use to get you going in the right direction. Okay, let's take a look at Avid's Symphony. What I'm going to do is I'm going to Alt-Tab into Avid's Media Composer. Now this is Media Composer 7 with the Symphony option. So what does that mean for you, the Symphony user? Well, whether you're using version 7 or version 6, when you made your purchase of either the upgrade or the full version of Symphony, you now have access to Boris Continuum Complete 8. And we're actually going to find the composite effect in there that we're going to be using to apply our transfer modes. What I'm going to do is navigate over to the clips bin. We're just going to take this stock clip here that I have of the boxer boxing. I'm going to hit T on the keyboard on both Mac and Windows to select the entire clip, and I'm going to hit B to drop it into a new timeline. What I'm going to do now is simply press Control and Y on Windows, Command and Y on the Mac to create a new video layer, and we're going to take our rampant film element and we're simply going to take it and we're going to drop it into the topmost layer, just like that. Now I can remove the rest of the shot, and all we're going to do now is simply hit Control and 8 on Windows, Command and 8 on the Mac, and what we're going to do is inside of Boris Continuum Complete, we're going to navigate down to Key and Blend. I'm simply going to take the composite effect, we're going to drag and drop it down onto the shot. Now you'll see that it seems like we have the effect that we want, but not quite. What I'm going to do is simply step into effects mode. Now my shortcut for effects mode is Shift and Y. You can always find effects mode right here, and you'll see that the apply mode we're using is hard light. I don't want to use hard light, I want to use multiply. Take a look at the difference. You'll see much more representative of what it should look like. Now all I have to do is actually come right back to the beginning and hit play, and this is a real-time effect ready to be dropped into any timeline and to start working with it right away. Now, what if I had a different element? What if instead of, and I'm just going to step into this shot for a second, what if instead of wanting to remove the white, I wanted to take an element like the fantastic cinematic dust element and I wanted to remove the black? What I'm going to do is just drop this into the composite here. I'm going to step out. You'll see that it's not going to do what we want it to do. It's actually seems to be a bit in reverse. Well, all I'm going to do is simply step into effects mode again. We're going to navigate up to the apply mode, and I'm simply going to choose add. And you'll see now that again in real time, we're ready to play this back and drop it into any project we happen to be working on. So if you have any questions, you have any comments, or you have any tutorial requests, head on over and post them in the Rampant Design Tools forums.